Question 2. A tourist attraction which opens every day needs 30,000 visitors per day on average to break even. That means to be able to cover its costs. Last week, there were 100,000 and 120,000 visitors. What is the number of visitors needed this week to break even over the 2-week period? So we've got 30,000. The 2-week period, that's 14 days. $42,420,000. We know that in the first week, we had 120, and therefore we subtract, we need 300,000, and that's E. You could divide 300,000 by 7, but it does get a bit messy. This is the way that I would do it.